The problem was time. When you generate each frame on its own, the model has no memory of the frame before it. Frame 1 gives your subject a blue jacket. Frame 2, generated fresh, makes it slightly green. Frame 3 shifts the collar. Frame 4 moves the face. Play them back and everything shimmers and crawls, because nothing is holding the world steady from one instant to the next. Making a good frame was solved. Making the next frame agree with the last one was not. Engineers have a word for what was missing: temporal consistency. Consistency across time. Think about what your own eyes expect. When a ball rolls across a table, you expect it to keep being the same ball, the same size and color, moving in a smooth line, obeying gravity. That expectation is enormous and mostly unconscious. A model that generates frames independently knows none of it. It has to be taught, somehow, that the world has objects